Greetings and welcome to Win Win Live. This is Georgia Sweeting, reporter from Total Telekom. We have two esteemed guests joining us today, and they will share their experiences and perspectives on Türk Telekom wireless domain business success and 5G strategy. Let's welcome Ahmet Fethi Ayhan, Türk Telekom Senior Network Director, and Barry Hou, President of 5G Wireless and Marketing Solution Sales. Türk Telekom has achieved #1 in several cities, including Istanbul, by Umlaut Crowdsourcing in 2023. How did you do it?
Thank you for having me. Türk Telekom has 26 million mobile subscribers, and it's always the primary responsibility of Türk Telekom to provide good network experience for these subscribers. In recent years, Türk Telekom has been committed to wireless network investment constructions, and finally, Türk Telekom achieved #1 in several cities, including Istanbul, by Umlaut Crowdsourcing in 2023. We continue to build the LTE low-band sites, improve LTE wide coverage and deep coverage, and develop VoLTE services. In past 2 years, the number of VoLTE subscribers has increased rapidly. Right now, 13 million VoLTE subscribers. In addition, we made capacity expansion in mid-band by utilizing the advantage of mid-band spectrum's resources. We work with Huawei network optimization team to continuously monitor the network KPIs, analyze, gain insights, and implement hierarchical capacity expansion policies for KSTs and areas. About the good Umlaut test results, I think Huawei's 44R equipment is a very important reason in KSTs. It not only improves the network capacity and user experience, but also saves energy consumptions. In addition, all devices are 5G ready, which gives us great confidence in both the current LTE era and the future 5G era.
You mentioned 5G ready. What is Türk Telekom's target network strategy in the 5G era?
Yeah, spectrum is the most important resource for wireless networks. The target network in the 5G era is the spectrum evolution strategy. For Türk Telekom, the target 5G network must be a highly coordinated TDD plus FDD network. Türk Telekom will continuously optimize the proportion of spectrum resources allocated to each RAD to achieve optimal spectrum efficiency. FDD-NR will be deployed on sub-3G to provide the wide coverage of 5G signals. TDD-NR is deployed on C-band and mmWave to provide ultimate experience in hotspot areas. In the 5G era, energy efficiency is vital. We cannot sacrifice network performance for energy saving. We have to consider more intelligent solutions to achieve both best in the performance and the energy savings. Huawei new equipment, Meta AIU, Ultra Wideband RRU, and Green Antenna, which not only bring energy saving benefits, but also further simplify the sites. I believe that Türk Telekom will achieve greater success in the 5G era with Huawei.
How can Huawei help customers achieve business success in the upcoming 5G era?
Thank you for the question. Actually, Huawei could help our operator in 2 aspects. First, as a global leading telecom provider, we can provide and help our operator to build the most efficient 5G network. This is thanks to our high-intensity R&D investment of more than 10% of our annual revenue invested to our 5G solution and equipment. This is one aspect. And another one is Huawei could facilitate the operator on the 5G monetization. As we know, 5 years ago, when the first 5G network commercial launched, everyone is asked about how to monetize 5G. So based on the global operator best practice, we can summarize the 5G monetization into 3 phases. The first, we call it the traffic monetization. So we can help our operator to migrate 4G users to 5G network very quickly to enable the 5G upselling. This is one aspect. Second, on the 5G FWA. As we know, FWA now is a common choice for 50% of the 5G operators. So FWA really help our operator to increase the ARPU and also to improve the home penetration in the country. The third part is on the 5G 2B. As you may know, now 5G 2B is very popular in China. So Huawei, we can bring the system integrator, we can bring the experience and 5G solutions from China to overseas. So we can help our Turk Telecom to develop their 5G2B business. So this is the main three aspect we can help our operator for the 5G monetization.
We say that 2024 is the first year for global 5.5G commercial use. Should Türk Telekom copy the successful experience of 4.5G and directly start from 5.5G in the 5G era?
Yeah, in the 4G era, Turkey skipped to 4G, built the 4.5G network directly, becoming the first country to launch 4.5G, bringing good experience to the end users. Currently, Türk Telekom has not launched 5G behind the global 5G market. For 5G strategy, I will think we will directly launch 5.5G by referring to the successful experience in the 5G era and to become the first wave of countries to launch 5.5G. Türk Telekom will provide best 5.5G network experience to end user and cooperate with Huawei to carry out some TUB services and build 5.5G smart city in Turkey.
According to the global 5.5G industry deployment, we could say 2024 is the first year for 5.5G industry, mainly from three aspects. First, from the terminal perspective, the three-carrier terminal is already mature. Now, lots of Chinese vendors, also some chipset providers already launched their 5.5G chipset and terminals. Secondly, from the network product and solution point of view, Huawei we can provide a full series of 5.5G equipment. For example, the millimeter wave base station and also three-carrier aggregation base station. So all of these solutions and equipment can enable operator to deploy the 5.5G network this year. The last but also the most important I want to mention, the 5.5G industry is not only driven by the technology, but also driven by the service. Thanks to the AI and also 3D, this kind of technology involvement, now a lot of new service is booming. For example, glass-free 3D, cloud phone, and even autonomous driving. All these services are happening in China. So I believe this year, this kind of service can also go to the overseas market and also support technical industry to really drive the 5.5G industry evolution.
Thank you for joining us here at Women Live. See you next time.